It is very difficult to suggest today what is going to look like the political solution, but I can only suggest the three requisites. I don't think any political solution will work unless Assad is ousted from power. I do not believe that any resolution will be found unless the rebels are provided with the kind of weapon necessary in order to change the balance of forces on the ground and force a change, force Assad to understand that he has no chances of winning this war. And three, it is absolutely necessary for the United States and the Western powers to make sure that action is taken now to prevent further disintegration of Syria itself. Now there are too many groups fighting against one another, and so it is extremely difficult to reach an agreement unless we intervene as soon as possible. Well, when I speak about intervention, I don't mean the American troops should be going to Syria. What I'm talking about is that the United States has the capability to distinguish between the various groups, and it should be able to support the kind of group that will be moderate, that are willing to adhere fully to human rights, that will be prepared to end the fightings between themselves and others. I think it's possible. It's not easy, but it's certainly possible. And the sooner we begin this process, the better it is, because the concern I have and many people have, that unless something is done now, Syria will become a failed state, and that's going to have major repercussions throughout the region.